Hello everyone. Today, I am counting down our top picks for the best heavy-duty camping chair. Finding the perfect one can be a challenge, but I have done all the hard work for you. Product number 1. Amazon Basics Camping Chair. Oh man, are you guys ready for the ultimate camping gear review? Because I are kicking it off with the Amazon Basics Camping Chair, and let me tell you, this thing is a game changer. It's a camping chair, folks. The simplest yet most brilliant invention for the great outdoors. A sturdy, compact, and seriously comfortable chair that's perfect for setting up base camp in the woods, the backyard, or even just on your front porch. Honestly, I was blown away by how well designed this thing is. With its durable steel frame, waterproof nylon fabric, and a seriously cool carrying bag that makes it a breeze to transport. And the ratings don't lie. With an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 17,163 verified reviews, people just love this chair. And trust me, I know why. It's like a little slice of heaven for your camping adventures. It's sturdy, it's comfortable, and it's affordable, with a price tag that's hard to beat. Look, I know what you're thinking. It's just a camping chair. But this one's a whole lot more than that. It's a ticket to the ultimate outdoor experience, and I'm not exaggerating when I say it's a must-have for any serious camper or outdoor enthusiast out there. So if you're ready to level up your camping gear game, check out the link in the description for the best deals and discounts on this amazing Amazon Basics camping chair. It's a no-brainer, folks. Product number 2. SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair. You know, I've been talking about some amazing gear to take your camping trips to the next level, and I'm excited to share with you the next product on our list, the SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair. Look, I know what you're thinking, a director's chair. What's so special about that, right? But trust me, this thing, it's a game changer, especially for those who love camping with a little more luxury, or just need a comfortable spot to relax around the campsite. Honestly, I was blown away by the quality of this chair. It's sturdy, it's durable, and it's so easy to set up. It's literally like unfolding a big umbrella and standing it up. Wow, I mean, it's that simple. But what really sets this chair apart is its comfort. It's got adjustable arms, a reclining back, and even a built-in cooler for your drinks. I mean, can it get any better than that? And the best part? It's got an incredible rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 4,600 verified reviews. That's right, folks, this chair is loved by thousands of campers just like you, and I'm not surprised it's just that good. So if you're looking to elevate your camping experience, look no further than the SUNNYFEEL Camping Director's Chair. Trust me, you won't regret it. And as a special treat for our viewers, I've got an exclusive link in the description below with active discounts, so be sure to check it out and get ready to take your camping trips to the next level. Product number 3. Timber Ridge XXL Upgraded Oversized Director's Chairs. Alright guys, so I just reviewed this super comfy patio set, and now I'm excited to show you the Timber Ridge XXL Upgraded Oversized Director's Chairs. These are like the ultimate upgrade for your backyard movie nights or outdoor gatherings, honestly. You're getting these massive, oversized director's chairs that are basically like your own personal luxury theater seat. And trust me, you won't want to leave them. They're designed for maximum comfort, with extra thick, high-quality cushions that will support you for hours on end, and sturdy steel frames that can hold up to 300 pounds each. That's insane. But what really got my attention is the fact that these chairs are getting a 4.7 out of 5 star rating from over 2,929 verified reviews. It's crazy to see that many people loving the same product. People are raving about how comfortable they are, how durable they are, and how easy they are to assemble. It's like a no-brainer purchase, guys. So, if you're looking to take your outdoor entertaining to the next level, I highly recommend checking out these Timber Ridge XXL Upgraded Oversized Director's Chairs. Look, they're a little investment up front, but trust me, you won't regret it. And if you're ready to bring the luxury of your favorite movie theater to your backyard, be sure to check the link in the description for active discounts on these bad boys. Thanks for watching, guys. Product number 4. Timber Ridge Aluminum Oversized Camping Chair. You know, I've been reviewing some amazing camping gear, but I've got to say, the Timber Ridge Aluminum Oversized Camping Chair is something special. It's literally a chair, designed for camping, made out of aluminum, and it's oversized. So you can bet your bottom dollar it's gonna be one of the most comfortable things you've ever sat on while out in the great outdoors. And let me tell you, the reviews back it up, folks. Because this thing has an insane rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from over 2,770 verified reviews. That's right, 2,770 people can't be wrong, trust me. I've seen some great products in my time, but this one's got people raving, and honestly, I can see why. It's sturdy, it's durable, it's lightweight, and it's just plain awesome. I mean, just look at the pictures. It's like a throne out there, and I know exactly what I'm talking about, because I've put this thing to the test, and it's passed with flying colors. So if you're in the market for a new camping chair, look no further, this is the one, and check the link in the description to see if there are any active discounts, because I've got a feeling you're gonna want to get your hands on this thing, and I'm not the only one. Thousands of other people have already done just that. So what are you waiting for? Go check it out. Product number 5. Yestomo Camping Chairs. Now that I've got our gear sorted, it's time to talk about the fun part, camping comfort. And that's exactly what Yestomo camping chairs are all about, honestly. These aren't your average camping chairs. They're designed specifically for the great outdoors, with sturdy frames that can hold up to a whopping 300 pounds. And look at that. With over 1,440 verified reviews, these guys have an incredible 4.7 out of 5-star rating. I mean, that's just insane, trust me. That's unheard of in the camping world. Now, I know what you're thinking. How comfortable can a camping chair really be? Well, let me tell you, these guys have thought of everything, from adjustable height to reclining positions. It's like having your very own outdoor lounger. And the best part? It's ridiculously easy to set up. Literally just unfold and you're good to go. Now, I've tried a lot of camping chairs in my time, but these Yestomo camping chairs have genuinely exceeded my expectations. They're like a whole new level of comfort. It's like you're not even camping anymore. Wow, I'm seriously impressed. So if you're looking to upgrade your camping game, or just want a comfy spot to relax in the backyard, check out the link in the description for active discounts on these incredible Yestomo camping chairs. Hopefully, this list helped you find what you were looking for. Feel free to check the links in the description for pricing, and thanks for watching.